Today we're going to Nara Park. Going to feed the deer.
I'm very excited. This is what I came on this trip for, was to feed the deer.
We're going to the station that's supposed to go to Nara Park. Our neighborhood is pretty empty. Hello! On the way to Nara Park, it's about an hour on the train from Kyoto station. We arrived in Nara and we're on the way to Nara Park, but it's uphill and tons of people going. Hope the deer will be hungry when we get there.
2個ください。はい。
Hey, arigatou gozaimasu. Got 2 packs. They should be the same price everywhere you go. So we see deers. It's go.
Give me crackers.
What does it smell like?
Acorns and peanut butter.
Oh, they're already here. Oh, they have some deers already. Nara Park, I guess. Deer. Hello. Hello. No? Hi, dear. Hello. 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 And you want people to break it down for you, huh? You like a small pieces so you don't waste the whole thing on the ground. Hello. If you keep walking, you will come across an even bigger side of the park. You will know because there's a lot more deers and a lot more people.
Whoa!
She's nodding her head. Look, look, look.
And we found that the deer in the bigger park is hungrier, so it's easier to feed them cracker than other deers in different part of the park. If you bow to the deer first, they bow back to you. So try that when you go to Nara.
Raining outside and we're here for lunch after feeding those crazy deers. We're here. Gyukatsu. Everywhere we go it's raining. We order sirloin.
Very good. Yeah, I'm so used to having tonkatsu. It's almost never had like steak. It's really good.
Gyukatsu.
Yeah.
If you can tell by now from the previous videos in Kyoto, you can tell that we love daifuku, especially Preston. Good. Can you tell what it is?
No, but it's delicious.
Where are we? Inari?
Inari.
Going to see that 1,000 torii gate. Well, doesn't look too many people. Maybe they're all in that spot. Stroller parking. Is there? We park our stroller here. Wow, it's so pretty. Fox, fox. They're here, and then to go up like this. No, these are weird. They have the balls. Look.
What are they?
I have to look. It's like a limao. I don't know.
Masks. Oh, daruma. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. The fox. Nice.
$6.30 for that.
The wallet. 1,000 torii gate start here. Wow.
あそこの
in the 1,000 torii gate.
It's beautiful.
Wow, so many people. But I think it's not that crowded.
Charlotte, what do you think about the torii gates?
It feels different than looking at a picture, huh?
Yeah.
Keep going higher and higher, you basically come to more torii gate. So if you want less people, just come further up.
Yeah.
And it's not that bad.
Not really even uphill. It's barely uphill. Even with a baby, super easy.
Yay, Charlotte!
After we came back to Kyoto, we decided to go around the street around our hotel. We found this Korean fried chicken place. It actually tastes really good and it was a really chill night out.
Nishiki Market.
I was really excited about Nikishi Market before I came. On the website, it says it's open at 10 a.m. So we got there around 10-ish or 11 a.m.
Smell very good.
But when we arrived that day, it wasn't very busy and a lot of the store was still closing or just about to start. Nikishi Market is a 400 years old market with 5 blocks long. On the website, they said you can find rare ingredients that you cannot find anywhere else and seasonal fresh products. But honestly, I didn't see that much of the uniqueness in this place. Maybe it's the wrong time, wrong date. Still fun to walk around, explore the street.
Wow. It's so soft. Kyomitsu Dara, right?
Where you at?
Bring kimono and feeding kids. Looking good, babe.
Not as good as you, babe.
This is our last thing to do in Kyoto. We love our kimono experience, but somehow we just ran into rain this time when we were in Kyoto. So we just finished our lunch here and then went back to Kyoto station and finished our wonderful, wonderful Kyoto trip.